Good morning, children. Now let us start Unit 2 in English. The name of the unit is Every Drop Counts. This story is about saving water. Now let us see what will happen. The famous person whose name is Abid Surti, who was born on 5th May 1935, is a well-known author, painter, cartoonist, playwright, journalist and environmentalist. He was a person who is explaining the story. Now he has received a national award for Tisri Ank, a collection of short stories. He runs an NGO called Drop Dead Foundation, which strives to save water by the humblest of means, repairing leaking taps. Abid Surti lives and works in Mumbai. So this is a little bit of the author who narrated the story. Now Ravi walked down the stairs to his friend's house on the second floor of a 4-story building. It was Saturday. There had been a lot of buzz around an NGO Drop Dead Foundation coming to his colony. The message that was written on that NGO was "Save every drop or drop dead." Now it is a slogan, and Ravi thought that he should never left a tap running in the house, nor he ever use excess water for bathing and cleaning up. He thought of saving water because water is very precious in each and every one of our lives. Now Mani, as I have told you, he was a friend of Ravi. They had the similar idea to save water. Now Ravi knew about water pollution and depletion from the books he had read. Now Ravi and his friend could make out from the posters that it had something to do with saving water. The boys thought it was not important to fix the leaking taps. But as I told you, the author, Mr. Surti, was an artist. He earned his living by writing books and paintings. Now Mr. Surti was working in the weekends for free to do his part to conserve water. He was disturbed by the ugly fights that water scarcity caused. The two boys talked cheerily about this new development in the society. They were amused at the idea of people yammering on about things they already knew. They even placed a bet to see if any media personnel would be covering the whole affair. They liked the idea of being seen on television or to have a photo of the society in the newspaper. Mr. Surti managed to save 10 million liters of water from that colony. Now Sunday started without much fanfare, just like Ravi and Mani had anticipated after realizing that the NGO was only interested in repairing taps. Now Abid Surti and his companion as Riaz, a plumber. He introduced him as Abid Surti and his companion as Riaz, a plumber. "Pleased to meet you, Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, and you too, little Mr. Surti said with a smile. Being a talkative boy, Ravi started chatting with Mr. Surti while Mr. Riaz got busy with the tap. Mr. Surti explained to an inquisitive Ravi that he was actually an artist. He earned his living by writing books and painting, as I've already told you. "Then why do you work even on Sundays and you don't even get paid for it?" Ravi asked, surprised. "It is not something I do for pay, my little lad," said Mr. Surti kindly. "You see, when I was a kid, I would see people fighting for water on the street. It was an everyday matter, but one of those days, those fights would get really ugly. It was then that I realized the importance of water. Its scarcity can make people behave in the most uncivilized way possible. So I decided I should do something on my part to conserve water," he explained. As a matter of fact, a lot of water. You might find it incredible, but I have saved around 10 million liters of water single-handedly by just repairing the tap, said Mr. Surti with a smile. Ravi could not believe what he heard. Mr. Surti explained that if a tap drips once every second, 1,000 liters of water would go waste in just a month. This is a lot of water, exclaimed Ravi. Yes, that is why we need to save every drop, started Mr. Surti, or drop dead. Ravi completed the slogan with a wide, appreciative smile. So, this is a story about saving water, children. Hope I am clear with the lesson. Now, let us learn the hard words and the question answers of this unit, children. Every drop counts. So, these are the hard words. The first hard word is foundation, second one accompanied, third one sustenance, fourth one depletion, fifth one contaminated, sixth one pamphlet, seventh one scarcity, eighth one uncivilized, ninth one incredible, and the 10th one is appreciative. Now let us learn the question answers of this unit. Name the NGO that was going to visit Ravi's colony. Drop Dead Foundation was the NGO that was to visit Ravi's colony. What message was written on the posters? What is this message called? The message was save every drop or drop dead. It is called a slogan. How did Ravi contribute towards conservation of water? Ravi never left a tap running in the house, nor did he ever use excess water for bathing and cleaning up. Who was Ravi's friend? Money was Ravi's friend. How did Ravi know about water pollution and water depletion? Ravi knew about water pollution and depletion from the books he had read. Sixth question. What did Ravi and his friend learn from the posters put up by the NGO? Ravi and his friend could make out from the posters that it had something to do with water conservation. What did the two boys think of leaking taps in their house? The boys thought it was not important to fix the leaking taps. Eighth question. What did Mr. Surti tell Ravi about his profession? Mr. Surti was an artist. He earned his living by writing books and paintings. Ninth question. Why was Mr. Surti working on weekends for free at Drop Dead Foundation? Mr. Surti was working in the weekends for free to do his part to conserve water. He was disturbed by the ugly fights that water scarcity caused. Last question. How much water has Mr. Surti managed to save by repairing leaking taps? Mr. Surti managed to save 10 million liters of water. Now these are the question answers of this unit, children. I hope I am clear with the question answers and the hard words and the lesson explanation. If you have any doubts, you can go through the lesson and read it well.